about whether you need to start a business with this cargo van or courier delivery work, or can you do this without a filing a business. Here on Be On Boss Up with K, I'm teaching entrepreneurship. I'm teaching you guys to start doing things the legal way, start making money the right way, so you can level up in life. So yes, I suggest all you guys treat this like a business, especially if you're making over $600, or you have to file taxes on this stuff anyway. Go ahead and get in the mind frame of setting up your business with the state. Get your EIN with the federal government, IRS, getting all the licenses you need, the proper insurance. So when you go through this process, it makes it a lot easier. You can write off a lot of things like mileage, gas, wear and tear on your vehicle when you're doing these gig apps. Even if you're not really taking it serious, not really taking it full time like a business, you can still write off a lot of things by having your drive services, your delivery services set up like a business. So first, what you want to do is make sure you got your business set up with the Secretary of State. Here in Georgia, it's a real simple process. If you need help with that, I can send you the link. Just leave me a comment. I'll shoot the link to Georgia and as well as Florida. I have filed businesses in those two states, so I'm familiar with the process. But it's real simple. You just give them your name, you pay a small filing fee, usually $100 to $200, and you got in a day or two, they send you back your orders of incorporation, and that's what you need to go, set up your bank accounts and things of that nature. So once you have your articles of incorporation filled out, then you go to irs.gov, get your EIN number. It's free of charge. You're not pay anybody for an EIN number. If they're asking you to pay, you're on the wrong website, irs.gov. Once you get your EIN number, that comes back pretty instantly. Then you're able to, get your bank account, get your Duns and Bradstreet number. These numbers just help identify your business when you're applying for business credit, when you're applying for loans. These numbers track your business progress, track what your business is spending, track your payments your business is making, track the bank accounts you have for your business, and even tracks the money that's in your bank account. Believe it or not, credit scores are a thing of the past, so lower your credit score or even lower your business credit score really doesn't hurt you as much as it is the revenue coming into your bank. So you want to have your separate bank account set up. That's besides your personal bank account. You want to have all business income, any Uber ride, Uber Eats, DoorDash, any of those items, any of those incomes. Put them in that business bank account. Put them in that one bank account. Those deposits look amazing to bankers, the loans companies. Believe it or not, they say they want $5,000 or above for loans. I've got approved with just $3,000 constantly flowing through a bank account. Of course, the limit is a lot lower, but it's a start. So, don't be afraid, don't be ashamed if your business is not making that much money right now. Go ahead, put the work in, start putting as much money into that one bank account as possible, so you can start leveraging, getting loans, so you can start getting better vehicles, getting better equipment for your business. Once you get all those things set up, you can be able to drive. Like I said, you can purchase your own vehicle. If you build up business credit and have a business credit mentorship, you guys can join if you're interested. I teach you guys how to build up your business credit to get 12 vendors, straight reporting on Experian Business, as well as your paydex score. Once you have those scores, then you can be able to go into a dealership like I was through Alley Bank or through Ford Commercial or through some of these direct dealership commercial financing departments. Get financed 100%, no money down, no PG, no personal guarantee, EIN only loans. Unbelievable, right? Yeah, I know. All right, so just know that setting up things the right way can open up a tremendous amount of opportunities and resources for you. So yes, start the business, do everything the right way, get your LLC when you're starting your delivery business. It can take you much further. But if you're just only doing this very, very part-time, you only plan on making maybe $200-300 extra a month, just picking up the extra work, then it may not be necessary to go ahead and file your business. So whatever works for you. This is not financial advice, but this is something I do. This is something that I put in my life, something I practice. I just want to give you guys some tips how to proceed in this delivery courier game. All right, later.